Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the right technique to do push-ups. To start with push-ups, place your hand slightly wider than your shoulders. Hands in the line of your chest, always. While being on your knees, drop your body down. Do not flare your elbows outward, keep it by your side. Most common mistake is keeping your hip up. Make sure you don't do that. Keep your core engaged and drop your hip in the line of your body. Make sure your shoulder and wrist are in the same line. Alternatively, you can also do wall push-ups. Take a step back, go on your toes, take the same hand position and drop your body. Remember, do not flare your elbows outward, keep it by your side. Inhale when you go down, exhale when you come up. Next stage will be going on a lower level. Once you develop the right technique and strength, you can perform push-ups on the toe. Holding your core tight, shoulders and wrist in the same line, hands in the line of your chest. Gradually go down how much you can. Keep your elbows by your side. Always while doing push-ups, you should always have a controlled movement. Keep the toes still and avoid swinging.